Hello, welcome to Clydesdale Homestead. I'm Tamlin, and this is my second video about the Three Rivers Pantry Challenge that I am doing. So last time I went through the kitchen freezer, went through what was in there, hey Josh, cleaned out things that were mysteries, and put some things on my radar to cook soon as they need to be used up. So now I am going to open up my refrigerator for you, and we're going to go through there. Okay, here is the refrigerator. And let me tell you that we have been gone on vacation for about a week, and before that, so we used up a lot of stuff in the refrigerator that we needed to. The last time I went grocery shopping was probably, well, I know it was before Christmas, and we bought some special things for Christmas and stocked up a little bit for family and guests that were coming over. But I haven't been since then at all, and like I said, we were gone for a week. So let's go through the refrigerator, see what needs to be cleaned out, see what I need to use up, and then obviously when your refrigerator is empty like this, it's a great time to clean it. So that will be on my list too. All right, let's start at the top here. Random olives. These are some cool can lids we bought. Only one person in my household likes olives, so he needs to get going on olives. Eggs. We have chickens, so we're never out of eggs, although we are a little low right now. I think my mom gave away a lot of eggs while we were on vacation. As I mentioned, my mom lives with us, and she has a kitchenette, but it has a small refrigerator, so sometimes some of her things that she likes get put up here, and that's my mom's. This is mayo, and it needs to go. That I know that this one was not a fermented yogurt. I make a fermented yogurt that can last longer, but if not, it should last a week tops, and that is way overdue. So that's coming out and not going back. We'll go down the drain. Some shredded Parmesan. Okay, that's looking a little bare today. Okay, these things I just got out of the freezer because we have tacos on Tuesday. So there's our taco meat that we didn't finish last week, so we put it in the freezer and pull it out for this week. This is a whey from yogurt that I saved to make a fermented mayonnaise. So when that thaws, I'll make some more mayonnaise. We don't eat mayonnaise very often. Cottage cheese, that is opened. And it says December on it. It is mid-January right now. Okay, okay, that is bad. We will not be eating that. Good to know. So, this is leftovers from last night. We had a really quick dinner of smoked kielbasa, and I sauteed half a bok choy that was left in the fridge with some onion and some chive salt, and sauteed that in some ghee that I had made, and then just cooked up those kielbasas, and that's just plain rice. That's what we had for dinner last night. We should have eaten that for lunch today. In our household, my mom has a lot of food intolerances, so it's often best if we make things separate. So we make vegetables separate, meat separate, rice separate, and then she can pick and choose which things she can eat. All right, the greens. That's my mom's. She buys those. This is milk that I had picked up. We pick up our milk in the parking lot of the store parking lot every Wednesday from our dairy lady. She brings us fresh raw milk, and she meets her customers in the parking lot on Wednesdays. So before we left, we had about 3 quarts left before we left on vacation. So I put it into smaller jars and froze it, and it's thawing out. We'll use this up before Wednesday when we pick up new milk. Okay, that is mozzarella. We use a lot of mozzarella. We make pizza every Friday for our pizza movie night, so we do go through a lot of shredded mozzarella. All right, cheese and meat drawer. What do we got? shredded cheddar, tortillas, those are probably still good, pepperonis for our pizza. This is a fancy cheese left over from Christmas. We need to use that up. It's a horseradish one. It's really good, but it's quite strong. Some green cheese. Ooh, some little peppers. Okay, we need to eat those too. I didn't expect them to be in here. Oh, this is a soft cheese that I make. Josh. And okay, sorry about the beeping. I thought I'd turn the alarm off, and now my refrigerator decided it doesn't want to show me any light. So we'll just have to be a little bit in the dark. Okay, so we went through the meat and cheese tray. All right. Okay, down here we've got the last of the refrigerator pickles that I made this summer. Those are really good. They are easy, and that recipe came from Homesteading Family. It is a refrigerator pickle. It's not shelf stable, so they're really good though. Some green cabbage. Picked that up. And cabbage lasts a long time in the fridge. These are also vegetables. I got these from a friend who had a big garden this summer. Carrots, they are not washed or anything, very dirty. But we don't have a root cellar and aren't really set up to store vegetables long term, except in the refrigerator. So those are carrots. These are beets. These are really good beets. Really tasty. They're getting a little soft. Oh, that one's huge. That one's nice and firm. So when you start eating more beets, I really like beets. I should make a beet salad with the soft cheese and some candied pecans. Oh, it's really good. I'll make some of that. Okay, in the crisper, there's probably not much. Like I said, we've been gone. And haven't gone grocery shopping in a long time. Okay, so a little red cabbage, and again, that came from our friends. I don't like red cabbage, so it's up to my husband to eat that. It's getting a little soft. He needs to go for it. Some turnips. We really like to put turnips in soups. My mom can't tolerate potatoes, but she will eat turnips if she doesn't know what they are, and they're chopped up small. So turnips are really good in soups. I like those a lot. Those are paint rollers. And I think we're done painting. So we can probably get these out of here. So why do we have paint rollers in the refrigerator? Because if you're in the middle of a painting project and you need to pause but you can't get back to it right away, take off the roller and wrap it up, and the paint will stay liquid. It's totally soft and usable. So that's how you can pause your painting project if you need to. Keep those rollers still good. But we're done painting, I'm pretty sure. Oh, that's a big ginger. Okay. I should get that into the freezer with the other ginger. That's huge. Okay, and I think these are, some yellow golden beets, which I don't care for as much as the dark red beets. So more beets. They last a long time too. Even if the green part starts to get a little moldy, chop it off. The rest of the beet is perfectly fine. Okay, let's move over to the door. We have a lot of cream. I think I stocked up of that. Those are both full at Christmas time, and we didn't make as much as I thought we would. That is my homemade elderberry syrup. This is soy sauce, some maple syrup, some hemp and chia, and I think that's probably flax. I put that in the granola that I make. We've got chocolate sauce. It's about empty. Ranch, and that's my mom's. Mustard, Worcestershire sauce. That's a salad dressing. It's okay. I don't really like a lot of salad dressings, but that one's lasted us a long time. Oh, the Athel Orchard syrups. If you're from North Idaho, you know about Athel Orchards, and they can be found in stores nationwide now, I'm pretty sure, so that's pretty cool. Some lemon juice, peanut butter, crunchy and creamy, and a Dijon mustard. Over here, we've got a smaller container of soy sauce, some barbecue sauce, pepperoncinis. I like those on my pizzas. I need to buy some more. This is a homemade apple cider vinegar. This is the first year I've been successful at not growing mold in my apple cider vinegar. Thank you, refrigerator, for turning on the light. And so that's all I made. I just made a small amount because I've been so discouraged about always getting mold and my apple peelings and such. So this year I was able to agitate it quite a bit, and I think that prevented the mold from growing. So next year I'll probably try more. A little bit of lime juice. That is a jalapeno pepper jelly, which is really good with some cream cheese and crackers. We ate that a lot for our charcuterie trays. Okay, this is a, not labeled, some type of, oh, it's a cranberry sauce that someone gave to my mom as a gift. More butter, empty butter dish. And the last tray in our door of our refrigerator, we've got some yeast for the bread. This, oh, calcium water, looking a little nasty. I use Pomona pectin when I make jams, and you need the calcium water to mix with the pectin. And I don't think I made any jam last summer, and it's a long way from summer now when I would possibly potentially make jam again. So I'm gonna throw that out. I can always make a little bit more. It's literally just a calcium powder mixed in water, but if it gets cloudy or discolored, you should throw it out. This is some rennet, I think. Yeah, some rennet I bought. I have not actually used that. Probably should. Oh, this is wishful thinking. Okay. I don't know how long that's been in there. I don't know if it's doing any good, but not hurting anything. All right. Okay, so that was a tour of my refrigerator. Thank you for joining me on that journey of exploration and discovery. I hoped that you join me again for my next video, and I'll continue on the pantry challenge, do more of our dry goods storage, and make sure that's all well organized in correct containers, and go from there. Have a great day.